You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Latin, from ancient Rome, a gold coin from ancient Rome. If you want to learn more Latin or more from ancient Roman history, stay tuned for more videos for you. In English, pronounced as Aureus. In Latin, the pronunciation is as Aureus. Latin Aureus. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Aureus. Aureus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.